Okay, this is a really quick demo of something fun. This is my own guitar. I put this little switch in, and we're going to talk about what this does in a minute. I first got one of these for a client guitar. You probably saw it on my Instagram. It was a SG that had a bunch of weird switches and stuff. And when I put in the order, I thought, I know that I love everything that I've ever bought from Analogman. Especially their chorus pedal and the sun face. There's a crazy good fuzz face, and I thought I better get an extra one, and so I bought two, put the one in that SG and held on to the other until I kind of decided it was time to put some holes in my own Telecaster. Analogman calls it the Destructo circuit, or the Destruct circuit. It's basically an overdrive, a really big, really loud overdrive. Sort of gets into some fuzzy territory. And my understanding is that they designed it for the Fender Mike Campbell signature telly, the Red Dog telly. If you're a big Tom Petty fan, you know Mike Campbell. He's a great player, known for using Telecasters. And in the Mike Campbell signature telly from the custom shop, I think it's a push-pull pot or something, but they have this circuit, this distortion circuit. That's really handy. You do need a battery, so I put a hole in my guitar here and put in a battery case. That's okay. You could probably also squeeze it into the cavity. The circuit itself is very tiny. I should have taken a picture of the inside. It's just a little tiny circuit, and it's sitting inside the cavity with the knobs and stuff. This is sort of my basic tone. This is my neck humbucker, middle, and bridge. So nothing, like, it's not sparkling clean or anything, but this totally works otherwise. So I'm going to play a minute with the, I'm going to go to the neck pickup and play a minute, and then I think you'll probably hear when I turn on. Crazy. I'm leaving the circuit on though because you can hear how similar it is when you roll the volume down. It does kind of fuzz face thing. When you turn down your volume on a fuzz face from the guitar, it kind of interacts in a funny way. It kind of changes your bass clean tone. It stays very clean. If you've played a really good fuzz face, you know that you can get really, really crystal clean sounds of it, but it has kind of like a really sharp upper transient kind of thing that really cuts. Sounds really cool. So like this is my volume is basically at 1 and the circuit is on, and I'm getting a lot, if I pick lightly, I get a lot more high end from that neck humbucker. It's a lot brighter than my usual sort of cleanish humbucker tone. This is a really useful thing. This is a lot of fun. If you want one, call me. I'd love to order like 50 of these and get them in like every guitar in the world. I just think they're great.